Pleasant good morning to you, the viewers, the wonderful subscribers. I trust and hope that you guys are doing fine. I hope that you had a wonderful weekend as well. And I hope that everything is just going as best planned. And in this time that we're in, I just hope that you are trying your very best to just be safe and just be cautious as we go out and do our daily routine. I know that it's a Monday morning, most of you might be heading back to work. I hope that the weekend was what you expected it to be, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it to the best of your ability, and just try your very best to maintain your composure and just try your very best to be calm, even though we're going through a difficult time. And it's a difficult time right now for many individuals right across the world, but just try your best to just remain calm and just be kind to one another during this time. I just want to wish for you a good week as well, and I wish you all the best for your daily endeavors and also any plans that you have for the week. So have a blessed and productive week from Links TV, taking you out once more. Peace out.